independently certified the most accurate in Central Kentucky.
Well, it's hard to believe that 1 week from tomorrow is actually our first day of spring officially, and it feels a lot more like wintertime, of course, today. Last night into early this morning, we actually picked up the most snow for some locations that we picked up all season. And let's talk a little bit about snowfall totals, who saw what, and just how much you saw. Lexington, yes, that was where we saw some of the most snow, a little over 10 inches being reported, 10.5 inches. That's kind of on the southeast side of Lexington. Berea had a report of 10 inches. Perryville in Boyle County had 9 inches. Winchester and Clark County had 7.8 inches. Irvin and Estill County had 7. Stanford also had about the same. So again, we saw some snowfall totals that ranged anywhere from 6 inches or more across portions of the Bluegrass area and right around the Lexington metro area and Richmond. So quite a bit of snow really caused a lot of problems for travelers last night into early this morning. Let's go ahead and show you a live HD radar right now, the wide view across the area. We could still see a couple sprinkles or even snow flurries as the evening progresses. As we zoom in a little bit, or show you actually the 2-hour time lapse, you can see how we have had some light rain at least showing up on radar. You know, the question is if it's actually reaching the ground. Sometimes it shows up on radar, and as it's falling in the atmosphere, it actually evaporates because it's so light with the rain. But there could be a couple sprinkles around there for areas just to the east of I-75 and right along I-64, kind of on the east side of Lexington metro area. Zoom in a little bit closer to the Bluegrass area, and we have had some rain developing around or just to the east of Lexington out toward Winchester, over toward areas like Fleming County. You've had a couple of spotty showers in Montgomery County, kind of around you, again, the possibility for spotty rain. South Central and Southeast Kentucky on radar. You're not seeing as much activity at this time, but you could also see a couple snow flurries as well. Looking at your sky view from EKU's campus, kind of a beautiful view there. A lot of snow still on the grassy surfaces, but thankfully a lot of roads and parking lots have been treated, or at least have melted with the snow, just with some sunshine that we had earlier this afternoon. Looking at your weather headlines for tonight, again, a couple sprinkles, snow flurries. It will be frigid. That's the big weather story. Overnight lows in the mid-20s, so we could have some refreezing, could have some slick spots overnight, so use a little caution there. A warming trend later in the week. We also have more unsettled weather, though, for your extended forecast to talk about. Satellite and radar, looking at the bigger picture, the system that brought us the snow has now moved more into the mid-Atlantic of the U.S., bringing rain and snow across the mid-Atlantic. Looking at your futurecast, midnight tonight, we go forward in time up to 7 a.m., and you can still see the clouds staying around. There's that possibility for a few snow flurries or sprinkles here as we continue overnight. As we go from 7 a.m. to 12 noon, you can see temperatures start off in the mid-20s, and then by 12 noon, we're still looking at partly to mostly cloudy skies, a steady breeze through the day on Tuesday. And as we go from 12 noon to 5 o'clock later in the afternoon, high temperatures tomorrow only in the upper 30s. So once again, feeling a lot more like a winter day. And in fact, Tuesday afternoon is going to be actually cooler, a little cooler than what we've had even for this afternoon. As we look at your temperatures outside right now, we have temperatures that range anywhere from the upper 30s to lower 40s on average. For tonight, overnight lows around 26 degrees. It will stay mostly cloudy, couple sprinkles, few flurries will be possible overnight. Heading into your Tuesday, kind of the same story, 39 for the high, couple snow flurries possible. Overall, a cold day, and will stay mostly cloudy. As we look at your 7-day forecast, 39 for your Tuesday, 40 degrees on Wednesday. Starting to see a little bit of a warming trend by Thursday. We're back in the mid-50s. Friday, 45 degrees, and then heading into your weekend, upper 40s for your St. Patrick's Day. Could see a spotty shower St. Patrick's Day, and then for your Sunday, we'll see our temperatures actually warming up a little bit more. So overall, thankfully a little warmer as we get toward the end of the week. We're going to be talking more, though, about what you'd expect with our weather, and we'll have more on your extended forecast coming up also a little bit later on. Amber?
All right, Jason, thank you.